MySQL incorrect string value error when save Unicode string in Django. I got strange error message when tried to save first underscore name, last underscore name to Django's auth underscore user model. Failed examples. Succeed examples. MySQL settings. Table charset and collation. Table auth underscore user has UTF-8 charset with UTF-8 underscore general underscore C collation. Results of update command. It didn't raise any error when updating above values to auth underscore user table by using update command. PostgreSQL. The failed values listed above can be updated into PostgreSQL table when I switch the database backend in Django. It's strange. But from this URL, I found the following. It means Unicode char has maxlen of 4 bytes in PostgreSQL but 3 bytes in MySQL, which caused above error.
I just figured out one method to avoid above errors. Save to database. Is this the only method to save strings like that into a MySQL table and decode it before rendering to templates for display?
None of these answers solve the problem for me. The root cause being, you cannot store 4-byte characters in MySQL with a UTF-8 character set. MySQL has a 3-byte limit on UTF-8 characters. Yes, it's whack, nicely summed up by a Django developer here. To solve this you need to change your MySQL database, table and columns to use the UT8 MB4 character set, only available from MySQL 5.5 onwards, specify the charset in your Django settings file as below. Settings.py. Note, when recreating your database you may run into the specified key was too long issue. The most likely cause is a char field which has a max underscore length of 255 and some kind of index on it, for example unique. Because UTF-8 MB4 uses 33% more space than UTF-8 you'll need to make these fields 33% smaller. In this case, change the max underscore length from 255 to 191. Alternatively you can edit your MySQL configuration to remove this restriction but not without some Django hackery. Update, I just ran into this issue again and ended up switching to PostgreSQL because I was unable to reduce my varchar to 191 characters.
I had the same problem and resolved it by changing the character set of the column. Even though your database has a default character set of UTF-8, I think it's possible for database columns to have a different character set in MySQL. Here's the SQL query I used.
If you have this problem, here's a Python script to change all the columns of your MySQL database automatically.